we're gonna have alignment. We're gonna have all our tools to diagnose your suspension, your steering, to look for reasons why your steering axle is wearing out your tires like crazy. Brand new tires. Look. My friends, very important. A lot of people do not take care of that yellow point. The yellow dot should be aligned with the air valve, and the red dot, nobody knows what is this red dot, but people confuses the yellow and the red. Okay, which one should I put it with the valve? Okay, it's this one.